When God made this girl, he did not mix. I ain't gay, but I do gay stuff. Good fucking morning, bitches. Your little ray of sarcastic fucking sunshine.
Whoa! That is
Did you just make a poopy roll in your pantsy pansies?
I did, Daddy Waddy. I'm sorry.
It's okay, kid.
Do you know what I'm in the mood for today? I'm in the mood for launching myself down some fucking stairs.
Fuck.
2, 1.
That's just the way.